This is the APPLLP Max full Android smartwatch. It really works just like your Android phone does, has all the basic controls available for you. Fun little screen bubbles that you can activate, and fun little kid-like watch faces, which you can easily change to any of a variety of different faces, including being able to download some from their specialty store that they have. When you swipe down, you saw all of these. You've got controls for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth and cellular data and airplane mode. I mean, it's just like your phone. You got all of these different things that you can work with. When you slide to this side, nothing, that side, nothing. But when you go this way, you get into all of your apps in the app drawer. You got phone calling with a SIM card. Put a SIM card in here. If it works in your country and your carrier, you should be able to make and receive phone calls. Overall settings, you got a nice calculator, calendar, your basic contacts, all those things, messaging, a music player. You can do face unlock. You have two cameras here, a front-facing one and a side one coming off looking out this way. You got a lot of Google software in here. You got maps and other things, a stopwatch built into it, flashlight, nice and bright. If you need to find your way in the dark, you can get into that. Sound recorder for making some notes. You've got some extra apps that you can download from the app market, or you can use the Google Play Store to download directly from Google. You got social media apps like LinkedIn and Tumblr that they've added to this one. You have Twitter now, X, WhatsApp, and so forth. Chrome browser, your Gmail account. Once you log in, you're just as if you were on your phone. And the nice thing is, you know, the browser, if you have it set up for synchronizing, and your email as well, you can just pick off where you left off on your phone or your computer or your tablet or your watch, because they're all part of the Google enterprise. YouTube, you can watch us right here, smartwatchtics.com, and some other social media accounts as well, Facebook and Flickr, and even TikTok is built into this one. This is a special app I put in called Organized Drawer that gives you all those apps in alphabetical order. So I prefer that. I just wanted to show you guys that, and you'll see more about that in the full review. This takes you on and off, and this one takes you back to where you were. Long press on this, and you can shut down or reboot the watch. And you do have overall settings, which are very Android-oriented. Your networking, Bluetooth setup, display and sound and storage, your apps and notifications, security, your Google account you can modify and work with there. It even has Parent Assist in here, which is something new. If a child is going to use this one, or a youngster, you can control what apps they have access to and other things. So a really robust overall watch. A bunch of other settings are in here. Disaster notifications like weather and Amber Alerts and stuff are available there too. The band is really a nice rubberized one. You can get it in black or orange, or you can pick up an extra one in red or blue. You have a 4-pin charging port, and the wire will transfer data from your computer to the watch. So that's a really nice feature too. It is the APPLLP 4 Max. Check it out.